जी ये उनका ग्लोबल डेब्यू है, तो मैं उनको ऑल द बेस्ट विश करना चाह रहा हूँ, क्योंकि एक बहुत बढ़िया एक स्टेप है, एक कदम है उनकी ज़िंदगी में। 22 साल के हैं और बहुत पैशनेट है सिंगिंग के ऊपर, तो देखेंगे कि आज जो परफॉर्मेंस है वो देखने के लिए आया, मैंने सुना, और परफॉर्मेंसेस बहुत सारे हैं। सो आई वांट टू विश ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट। जो भी शुरू करते हैं उनको बहुत मतलब कंग्रेचुलेशंस और लक देना चाह रहे हैं। व्हाट प्रॉब्लम आई एम फेसिंग? ये नोट चाहिए, नोट। अभी नोट नहीं है, सिर्फ कार्ड इस्तेमाल कर रहा हूँ। अभी वैसे नोट बहुत कम है इंडस्ट्री में, मतलब इस देश में, तो हम लोग कार्ड का इस्तेमाल करते हैं, क्रेडिट कार्ड। अभी तो फ़िलहाल ये नोट कम होने की वजह से मुझे लगता है कि फिल्म जो अभी रिलीज़ हुई उनको बहुत मतलब नुकसान होगा। एंड बिकॉज सुना मैंने स्टैटिस्टिक्स में कि 70% लोग जो फिल्म्स देखते हैं वो कैश देते हैं और बाकी बाय कार्ड या ऑनलाइन खरीदते हैं।
I think it's great that women in this country, especially in the younger generation, are living their passion and their dreams. And in this case, you have an entrepreneur, come philanthropist, who is a musician. And I think these all combinations are great. मुझे लगता है कि भारत में हर एक महिला अपने ड्रीम को लिव कर रही है। यहाँ आप देख रहे हैं कि एक एंटरप्रेन्योर है, जो एक फिलैंथ्रोपिस्ट है और एक म्यूजिशियन। तो कौन कहता है कि आप एक ही चीज़ करना चाहिए? आप बहुत सारे चीज़ कर सकते हैं और मैं मानती हूँ कि इसका स्वागत करना चाहिए, क्योंकि 21वीं सदी में हर एक महिला का एक ड्रीम होता है, एक एस्पिरेशन होता है।
साइना जी, आम जनता
हिस्टोरिक मोमेंट है,
ANI से मैं अलग बात करूं। It's important to understand that the Prime Minister has taken a decision which is in the interest of all. We do away with terrorism, we do away with fake currency and the drug mafia. As Indians, we may be inconvenienced, but look at the long-term solution, which is all-inclusive for every Indian, big, small or medium.
ले ले वाइट ले सर राहुल सर थोड़ा इधर
Everybody has a right to chase their dreams, and no matter who you are or where you come from, your dreams should never be limited by that. They should only be limited by the ability of your imagination, your courage, your bravery. And I think that I've already seen Ananya's work in other sectors, and what I'm really been struck by is how much of a perfectionist she is, how incredibly grounded and hardworking she is, and how imaginative and creative she is and the team she puts together. So I have no doubt today what I'm going to see will be very well made, very well done, and beautifully executed.
Is there any upcoming project in your pipeline?
Yeah, I've just finished a film which I'm releasing next year. It's called Purna, the story of the youngest girl in history to climb Mount Everest.
What is the view on demonetization?
I'm sure the music video will be very lovely, beautifully made, well executed, and amazingly imaginative.
ज़्यादा एंजॉय कर रही हूँ, लेकिन अभी मैं यहाँ आई हूँ अनन्या के लिए, तो मैं उनके लिए एंजॉय करने वाली हूँ।
आज के इवेंट के बारे में क्या करने वाली है? आज कितना एक्साइटेड है आप?
Today is all about living the life, living your dreams, and I'm just here to have fun. It's going to be a good evening. Thank you.
I'm looking forward to her performance. I have met her a few times and she seems to be a very, very unassuming, bright, talented, beautiful girl, and she's the daughter of two wonderful parents. So I'm sure whatever she does in her life, she will find success, and I'm looking forward to her performance this evening. I wish her all the best from the bottom of my heart. She's a beautiful girl, and I have a lot of love for her family, and I'm here to support her.
How can I do parties like the live, like the parties and all? How do you enjoy that? Like parties?
I party very hard when it's time to party. When it's time to work, I work very hard. When it's time to sleep, I sleep very well. When it's time to wake up, I wake up with a sleep in my body. So whatever I do it to the extreme, and that's what keeps me going. Nothing right now.
Because of the demonetization, what do you want to say about it?
Working with Ananya Brella is amazing. Very new single, Living a Life. So excited to be here in beautiful Mumbai. The song is about being yourself, loving who you are, and making the world a better place. Spread the love, hence peace, living a life with Ananya Brella. We're so excited for this movement. She's such a star. I'm super excited for everybody to hear the song that me and Ananya Brella have been working so amazingly on. It's called Living a Life. I'm sure everybody's going to love it. It has an amazing message of making the world a better place. And we're very excited to present it to everybody. Came here about 4 days ago. India is beautiful as always. I love Mumbai. I love the beautiful people here. They're so welcoming to me and my team. And we're so excited to be here. I appreciate Universal India Music Group for having us. We're just very, very excited to be here with you guys.
The official remix.
Afro saying we're just getting started, and yes, we are just getting started. Well, listen, I want to ask you something.
and I've said this to you before as well, you are now a musician, you are an entrepreneur, you are a mental health campaigner, you're a design startup founder. How do you find time to do all these things as well as make all of us older people look like horrible underachievers?
No,
Do you
that's not
feel
true.
bad making us feel bad?
No, no, no.
Do you really? Doesn't she make us all look bad? She does. But honestly, how do you do all of this?
I think if you truly love what you do, there's always more time. Like I always have, my Sundays are always free, most of the times. If you love things that you do, you'll always make time for it, and that's the truth. Always time.
Talking about love and talking about nervousness, your father, who's
Oh.
up there,
Yeah.
I tell you, he was extremely nervous when you were coming down
He
all
was
of that.
very sweetly. My mom as well. They were, I think, most nervous about the lifts because hold on tight.
Well, you can tell them that you've made it through safe
Yeah, I
and
wanted
that you
to-
want to thank them for all the love and support.
Yes, I wanted to thank. So firstly, I want to thank all of the entire team. Nothing is possible without them. It's always the force, not the face, and I say this all the time. So thank you so much. It was a privilege working with you as an upcoming artist. My parents, Mom and Pa, where are you all?
Where are they?
I
Can we
don't
see
know.
them? Are they up there?
Yeah, I
Are they up
just
there?
truly want to say a big, 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 big thank you for letting me follow my passions, my dreams, for letting me break stereotypes, and truly just letting me be who I am as a person. And none of this would have been possible without you all. So thank you so much. I love you all very, very much, and you all are my world. Thank you.
Give them a round of applause, please. A piece of their heart has given a piece of her heart today to the entire world.
I have a couple of more people that I want to thank.
Go
quickly.
ahead.
So my entire team, Serena, you put everything together, man. We did it. Aisha, Akshita, Amita, Kanupriya, Abhishek, Sahan, everyone. The list goes on. Percept, Khushi, thank you so much. The entire team. Shubham, Kausar, Moin, all of you all. Dino, thank you so, so much for all your support. Would not have been possible without you. And all of you all here for coming, and hopefully you'll enjoy the event and the after party as well.
So the video's out at 12.
It is.
Are you slightly nervous about it?
I'm very nervous. Yeah,
Yeah?
super nervous.
Well, are you gonna let us in on a little more about it, or is it just gonna keep it as a surprise?
It's exclusive to VH1, so it would be unfair to do that. So I'm not allowed to do that, but you'll see it tomorrow. It's
No
all up to
sneak
them.
peeks, but you can see it tomorrow. Well, Ananya, before we go, real quick, there is another cause that is close to your heart. Of course, Swatantra we know about. There's another cause. You're also going to be performing at the Global Citizen India concert. Is that correct?
Yeah,
On
that
the
is right.
19th?
So I'll be performing at the Kolpik
Yeah.
Global Citizen concert. So yeah, please be there for that. It'll be awesome. I'm really looking forward to that. I will.
Don't say that. There's some people who still haven't got tickets.
Okay.
They're going to just keep asking you for tickets. But of course, it's a very unique platform to bring together a lot of stakeholders to end extreme poverty. It's an attack on extreme poverty as well as quality education, gender equality, water sanitation, and hygiene. So it's a very
Absolutely.
important causes. So it's not just about the entertainment on that day, but there's a lot of thought and a lot of
Absolutely.
empathy behind
Absolutely.
the cause.
I think it's a great cause, and it's going to be a great show.
Excellent. Well,
and
a
one
great
last
show.
Thing, so I keep forgetting. Thank you so much to Danny Marmick for the last visual. The music is my magic one.
Yeah.
We shot that and it was amazing. So thank you so much to Danny. I don't know where he is right now, but that's a video that's very close to my heart.
Well, you put a
And
great
it,
show up today.
so much.
I really want to say to you, my darling, well done.
Thank you
We
so
couldn't
much.
be prouder. Thank you.
Yes, indeed. Of course. Are we proud? Let's hear the applause. Let's hear the applause to show the pride and the love. Louis, if Devraj, if we could just pass the mic over, tell us about the journey or your impressions of Ananya.
Well, this is great because this is my first time here in India, and it's a testament to everything Ananya is doing. So I've had the opportunity and the privilege to work with some of the world's biggest artists, and now I'm getting to work with Ananya. So it kind of says it all. It's fantastic to be here, and we're looking forward to push the button from midnight tonight with the help of Devraj, Universal Music, and Metropolis. We're looking forward to taking Ananya onto the international stage.
Thank you so much, Louis. Rupert, your impressions of the show and of Ananya?
Wow, what a show. What a show. How do I follow all of this? I was going to do a little dance, but I won't. I think, thank you, yeah, maybe. Look, I know. It's a real privilege to be here. To be part of this is absolutely incredible. To be part of this creative team is a huge, huge privilege for us. At Metropolis, we're used to working with world frontline artists like Adele, Amy Winehouse, Queen. We feel that Ananya has a place here with us. We know we can push her to the heights that she wants to go to. We've never met an artist as driven as her, and I think that's going to make all the difference here. She is an amazing, amazing talent, and we just don't know where to go with this. The stars are our limit. So, thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Rupert. Ladies and gentlemen, the team behind Living the Life. Take a bow, everyone. Come on. Let's hear a big round of applause for the A-Team.